Welcome back to part 5 of Songmaker, and you might notice a little change in this song that I've written. There's less squares around. How did I do that? Well, that's a more advanced thing, and let's go down here to the settings to see what I did. If we count from the bottom, we'll see only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares before the thicker line. I chose what's called a pentatonic scale. That means using the least amount of squares, the least amount of notes, but guess what? All the notes in pentatonic are going to sound really, really good together. There's no mistake notes. It's kind of a safe thing to do. If we want to go back to our regular setting, you're going to click where it says pentatonic right now for a scale, and a scale is made up of more notes or less notes. The pentatonic scale is made of 5. The major scale is made of, let's count. What did we see before? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, so we added 2 more. The song's still here, but now there's more notes in the middle that we could add if we wanted. If you want even more options, you can go to the chromatic scale. It's the third option with the most notes, and let's count those. Adding the chromatic scale makes our screen so big, we now have this scroll bar on the right side to move up and down. Counting from the bottom, a chromatic scale gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 notes that we could add. All sorts of notes in the middle. Every sound possible. When you get really advanced and you want to start making some wild experiments, the chromatic scale is for you. We're going to talk about more settings in the next video because the possibilities really are endless. For now, experiment around with your songs using these different scales. The pentatonic with 5, the major with 7, and the chromatic with 12. I'll see you guys soon. Bye now.